Hello from Slovenia again. Next one in my glue pouring medium series. I have scrape offs and I had some paint residue in my split cup, and that's why I decided that I will just go once more, because my split cup is already dirty. So I will pour Iridescent Precious Gold by PVA here. This is Amsterdam Pearl Yellow. This is Folk Art Aqua Flash. This is Cobalt Blue. No Cobalt, Ultramarine Blue. This is Pearl Blue. And this is, this one has a ton of air bubbles, Indigo. And I will pour a little of white into the Indigo, into the Ultramarine. Let's do in all of them. Okie doke. And I will pour these scrape offs here that will be my flow extender. They are nice and pastel-y, but should be okay. Okie doke. I'll just spread this a little bit here. And I will go from up high, and then I will try to come with details here in the middle. I don't know if this will work, but let's see. will pour some flow extender around. Let's tilt this first. To tear that off. Just bothered me composition wise. I have to tear that off. I paid so much attention to that, but now it bothers me. This is the orientation that I prefer, I believe, because I see kind of a tree down here and some mountains and path to somewhere and some more mountains. I don't know. I will leave it to dry. Definitely totally different that I was expecting, but yeah. Okay, so leave it to dry. So here she's dry and I love it. It's really beautiful landscapey looking with kind of some aurora borealis thing here. I really like this part. It's really beautiful in person because of all the pearlescent paints. I love this part too, with that kind of a tree. I see a tree here. So yeah, I am really happy with this one. I love this color combination together. I love this aqua flash with the ultramarine blue. It gives really beautiful colors together. I'm pretty happy with this one, I have to say. So this one was a success for me too. I get a little bit of, I don't know how to say, almost like cracks, but they are not cracks, so you have to be careful to tilt enough off that there is not too much paint. I'm not used to that with my pouring medium. I can basically just decide when to stop and leave it to dry and it doesn't crack. With the glue not the same, but still love it. So yeah, you definitely can paint a beautiful mountain kind of landscape, or I don't know what you see in there. I see that with glue pouring medium. So this is another one that I did with glue, and we will continue with this series with the glue pouring medium. Tell me what you see in the painting. Do you like it? If you do, please share, like, comment, help the algorithms to boost the video that more people will see it, and help me with my channel with that too. So thanks for being here, and see you again on the next one. Bye!